We are in the South Hills Village Mall. This is South Hills Village Mall, here in Upper St. Clair. Speaking of Clair, there's the Clair store, and we're looking for an old Otis elevator. Up, other wing. But the thing is, we can get a video tour of the mall. Old Otis must, the other wing, that must be where the old Otis can be found. Let's see. Ooh, old Otis! There it is! Ooh! This will be epic! Wait until you hear this. They did replace the call station. Watch it level. Still original. Look at this. Old Otis. Installed in 1962. It's obviously a fan. Let's listen to this motor. Indicator's completely burnt out. Here in level 3. Let's go up to 1. And we'll listen to the motor. Epic! Here we go. This is amazing! Black button. No phone, just the alarm. This is amazing. Let's take another ride. Here we go. £1,200. That's right, complete original Otis black button. I love these. Classic level. Classic leveling. Otis Cedo. Let's take a look out here. Let's go back up to 1. Let's get a cab view here. Black buttons. Here we go. This is amazing. Diesel Thursday filmed this before. I'm dedicating this to escandelev. This is amazing. Classic leveling. In service. Otis Cedo. There it goes, and that's it.